Looks like it's going to be an early Christmas morning for one of our customers here at Camper Kingdom that pre-ordered this Keystone Avalanche 390DS several months ago. But that's always a good thing. But what's really interesting is some of the changes that have occurred over the last few months since we've had our last one in. But we're going to start on the outside of the coach, going over its different features before hitting inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. Coming at you 43 feet in length with 4 total slides is this 2022 Keystone Avalanche model 390DS. The DS is going to stand for dual suite because you're going to have a king bed in the front, queen in the rear, and both of those will have their own private restroom. But I'll leave a link in the description as well as at the end of the video for you to go back and watch a more thorough video walking you through this camper from front to rear. Today I just wanted to show you some updates for certain things that are coming in on the new 22s leading into January 2022. One change right offhand is the front. The previous model several months ago had just one door opening, exposing your hydraulic reservoir there. The new Keystone products are coming standard with a Solar Flex 200. So what they did is they divided the wall here, separating everything, and that's going to be your inverter as well as your Solar Flex 200 controller tucked up there. Your baggage doors. One other change is they removed the magnetic clips, replacing it with a plastic one. And your latches have these new kind of a lift up gate there. That's a little different. I'm not sure how I like that. Let me know down below what your thoughts are going to be. Coming back, the next change I've noticed is the ladder. Last year's model did not have the extension on the roof, as well as this ladder style is more that on a toy hauler where it's on the side. Can be extended or retracted away from the wall. So that's another change. Everything still looks identical in the back. The rear camera prep, that mount has changed a little bit. Now just a round circular puck. Last year looked like an entire kind of bracket. One major change is going to be the air conditioners. The new Coleman Mach have redesigned the ductwork on this coach to assist with better airflow. And again, at the end of the video, I'll leave a link taking you back to watch a more detailed video of this model. I just wanted to show you some of the changes and talk to you really about the Solar Flex 200 and how this can also be upgraded to a Solar Flex 400 or even a 600, increasing the size of the inverter to possibly control up to 5, maybe 7 outlets that are pre-wired throughout the coach to work from that inverter. But back here in the loft bed area, go ahead and come up here. Last year with the air conditioners, that's it. You did not notice the air conditioner at all. You only had 2 return vents up in the loft area. So that is a big change to help with better airflow inside the Keystone products. That's change number 1. Coming around, still got your theater seats. These are recliners. Still the same legless table with the 4 chairs. No carpet. You got seam linoleum in the side floor. 6'10" on the side boxes. And walk around space inside of the kitchen area here. You're looking at around, possibly around 15 feet of walking space. About a 50-inch electric fireplace. Those do produce around 5,000 BTUs of heat. You can turn the heat off though and just utilize these lights to assist all of your guests with moving around. Stainless steel appliances, Samsung refrigerator, and there's that built-in, I think it's a 1,000 watt inverter just to control the refrigerator. And if you upgrade to possibly the Solar Flex 400 or even the 600, you can maybe get, I think, 1 air conditioner pre-wired on the Keystone products to maybe run off the Solar Flex 600. And as you go around the coach, these stickers here are going to identify which outlets are pre-wired to work off of that built-in inverter. Kitchen island in the middle with about a 60-40 split on the stainless steel drop-in sink, residential style faucet with solid surface countertops. All Keystone products, correction, the Keystone Avalanche, your drawer facings Your cabinet doors are solid wood, unlike some models that utilize some of the false wood that's wrapped in like a wallpaper. Stainless steel oven, you got your 3 burners on the top. Some pretty cool accent lights as well. Maybe room to cook a smaller chicken. Insignia, this looks like a convection 30-inch microwave convection oven. Glass accent on some of your cabinet doors here. I forgot to turn on another light. There's several light switches it looks like I've forgotten to turn on. Coming back to the guest queen size bed area, you got a drop frame construction, so stepping down possibly around 18 inches. Wardrobe at the foot of the bed. TV connections are also there above the window. Maybe room for about a 32-inch TV. Queen size bed in the bedroom slide, and the windows are trimmed out in a valance, so it's complete blackout. Breeze windows also, and you got like a raised headboard. Give you a close-up with some of that material. Looks like maybe a false leather. 110 outlets are located underneath this miniature shelf, about 8 inches on the shelf there, and maybe 12 inches of walking space on both sides of the bed. You do have another 110 outlet over here as well. Just plenty of room to move around. There's your black vent identifying where your airflow will be coming from. And there at the foot of the bed, maybe like as a possibly room for a 32-inch TV. Maybe you could add a hanging rod in there. They should put those from the factory though. That or some kind of organizer to stack some shelves. Shoe garage found down there as well. Good place to store all of your shoes. Coming back to the back bedroom, to the bathroom. Your own private entrance for all of your guests to enter and exit. Medicine cabinet. You have, I call this a pressed membrane countertop. It's a hard heated material wrapped over the countertops, just preventing it from swelling. GFI outlet over there also. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a decent amount of leg room if you are on the toilet. Coming around to your shower. Ceiling height in the bathroom right at maybe 6'5", 6'6". Looks like a 2-piece plastic shower with a glass style accordion door. Possibly a 12 to 14 inch step up to get into the shower, so it really will limit you on how much ceiling height you're going to have. Coming back up, head up into the master bedroom area. Before I do so though, check out the coffee prep station. There's plenty of additional shelving and counter space provided if you happen to be full-time. I forgot all those lights. My apologies, guys. Heading up into the main bedroom, the master bedroom, have a metal rail on the left. This is the change. Last year this was trimmed out in the same cabinetry wood. Now have a glass accent on all of your control panel. 2 awnings, 4 different slide switches for all of your slide operations. Porch slide, everything's just easy, nice to read. And this is your tank monitoring station up here. King size bed with a bedroom slide. You can have a wardrobe in the front. The closet's trimmed out in a glass accent. You still have that same smaller shelf with 110 outlets, maybe still around 12 inches of space to move around. But definitely plenty of room to change your clothes. Wardrobe in the front, and this will house the connections for your washer and dryer. You do have that hanging rod up there. I'm trying to give you as many angles as I possibly can. And again, this model was just pre-ordered from a customer of ours several months ago. It's just happened to show up early. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some of the changes that have occurred. And again, there's that air conditioner. Last year's model, you only had the 2 return vents here and here. So this has changed. I'm curious to get some feedback from the customer and let us know how it does. Still the same standard bathroom in there, but there's that yellow tag identifying that solar flex. So that would be one of the outlets that could work if you upgraded the system to the SolarFlex 400. I greatly do appreciate you guys sticking around this long in the video. I'll leave a link either here or here, taking you back to view a more detailed video of this particular model. A date and time of making this updated video, MSRP has also gone up to right at around $104,000. For pricing and availability, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can get back in touch with me if you decide to order this particular model for yourself. Like, subscribe, leave me a thumbs up. They definitely do help. come see us.